morning, Paul with Team Illuminata here. It's been 6 weeks now. Let's give a quick tour and see what else is new. But first, let's make a proper cup of tea. Yorkshire tea bags, only the best. No hobnobs left. You have to make do with these pseudo French things. Pretty good though. Let it brew for a few minutes. Take a walk around. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. That's the cover from the tyre balancer. I just brought that over this morning. But I wanted to show you these. Put some new windows in the garage door because some idiot broke the other one. Shall remain nameless. These are half-inch perspex, custom sized to fit, and fortunately they do fit. Little drafters, we might seal them up with some sealer. We have the time machines coming over sometime this week. We've hired a couple of heavies to move them because I'm a wimp these days and don't want to lift anything anymore. So we got the place tidied up. It's pretty empty here. Everything is hidden behind that wall back there. But let's go and see if the tea's ready. Quattro is still looking fantastic. I could just stare at this thing all the time. It's a good job. I like to look at it because it doesn't have an engine yet. Need to call the engine shop and see what they're up to. Okay, tea. Need some milk in there. I prefer half and half. Doesn't need much. Should be enough. This is our freshly painted fridge. We painted with Rust-Oleum hammered finish grey. Don't need a big fridge, but maybe we need more beer. Oh, it's going to be good. Throw that in there for now. First brew of the day is always good. Excuse me. Let's see. What else have we got going on? Oh, while we're in the kitchen, we painted the walls. It is, we're calling it Tim Grey. It's the grey of the eye in our logo, which we saw earlier. And we also painted the bathroom. Same colour. Kind of neutral, but I like it. Don't forget me tea. Okay, what else we got? So, yes, we brought over another car, 85 911 street version. It's got a roll bar in it. Of course, it has proper wheels, 16x7, 16x8 on this one. As you can see, beautiful Fuchs lookalikes. So now we have a road going Quattro and a road going 911 and a rally Quattro, hopefully one day soon. A rally Quattro. Did I say rally Quattro when I said rally 911? T's not kicked in yet. And that's not enough. We've got a model of the rally van, and we have a model of the 2 Quattros, and also a model of the 2 911s. Some of you may have noticed that this 911 is white, whereas this one is red. So we're obviously going to have to change the colour of this one, make it white. Okay, what else? Move these over here. Maybe a separation between the workshop space and the showroom. Not sure yet, still working on that. We moved this wall about 6 feet last week. Put it on carpet sliders and pushed it and pulled it and heaved it further back because we wanted to put everything behind there that's going to be part of the workshop. Well, not everything, because we haven't got everything yet. We're still missing loads of equipment. Well, we brought in what we have. Toolboxes, and these cupboards were here already. Remember we talked about those. 3 cupboards. All the wheels and tyres are not going to stay here. These are tyre racks that we dismantled from our old place. And these are going to go in here. Should have turned the lights on before I came in. We're going to mount them on this wall to suitable height so we don't bang our heads on them. Racks above and the wheels below. And while we're in here, let's take a look at these shelves. Last time we looked at these, they were full of inventory, wheels and boxes. We moved all those out and we've put all our Audi Quattro parts back here. So that worked out pretty well. Grab the seat. Now all the inventory is stored in the Taj Mahal conference room. So I have to figure out what to do with these things. And so this is where we're going to keep all the wheels, braid wheels and the carbo seats when they come in next week. I have some rally tyres there, 13-inch MRFs, if anyone needs any. Got a set going cheap, need to get rid of them. So that's what we got going on there. Otherwise, I think that's it for now. Again, this is all the Audi Quattro rally car stuff. A couple of windshields and some glass in here. More beautiful braid wheels. So let's see what we can get done this week. I think it's starting to slow down. I think the priority might be to get this area sorted out. Still have to figure out how to do a workshop with a carpeted floor. Any suggestions, put them in the comments below. Anyway, you guys have a great week. Talk to you next week. Bye.